Is your Dodge Grand Caravan key fob not working? Most likely, it just needs a new battery. This section provides a clear, concise guide to replacing the CR2032 battery in your 2008-2021 Grand Caravan key fob. First, locate the seam on the fob. Using a small flathead screwdriver or prying tool, gently pry the two halves of the case apart, being careful not to use excessive force to avoid cracking the plastic. Remove the old C2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up towards the keychain loop, but double-check the markings in the battery compartment. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct polarity. Finally, snap the case back together securely. Test the remote functions, lock, unlock, panic button, to ensure the new battery is working. This simple fix can save you time and money compared to professional replacement. After replacing the battery, if your key fob still doesn't work, start by double-checking the battery orientation. Incorrect polarity is a common mistake that can prevent the fob from functioning. Next, make sure the battery is securely seated in the compartment. A loose battery can cause intermittent or no function. If the fob still doesn't work, inspect the circuit board for signs of damage or corrosion, especially if exposed to moisture. Look for rust or discoloration. If you find corrosion, clean it gently using a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. This can restore functionality without professional repair. Remember, over-prying the case is a leading cause of damage. Always be gentle to avoid cracking or breaking the plastic. For 2008 models, be extra careful as they require more care compared to 2020 models, which have sturdier clips. Finally, dispose of the old battery responsibly. Many auto parts stores offer battery recycling programs to keep lithium batteries out of landfills.